Welcome to another Scalable Challenge lab. This time we're going to create a virtual machine scale set. So this is the recommended method for high availability nowadays on Azure. So how does this actually work? So we're in our lab provided environment, and we're going to create a scale set next, right? So scale set, here we go, and create. Then we pick the resource group that has been provided for us. We're going to name this web app scale set. We don't have any requirements for the region or availability zone. With orchestration, we're picking a uniform. Please check the documentation with regards to the differences here. And then basically we're just going down to the image, Ubuntu Server 2404. That's okay for us. Instance size, we're going to need a different one. We want to have a DS1v2, the cheapest option that could work. This time we're going to just use a username and password for the authentication. We had SSH authentication in the previous lab, so we're going to use a very secret password here, like that. We don't need anything here. We can actually just go to networking directly. And then what we want to do here is go to the network interface and then do some editing. And we want it to have a public IP address, so I'll enable that. Okay, otherwise we want to have a load balancer in front of this set. We're happy with the Azure load balancer. We don't have one yet, so we create one. I'm just going to call it the web app scale set - load balancer. Everything can be pretty much standard. All right, so now it's there, and let's create. All right, that has been deployed. So now let's go and take a look at it. And here under instances, we should be seeing that we have 2 instances currently running, which is perfect. It's exactly what was needed. All right, so next, let's change the number of instances here. We could do it here in the UI, but for laughs, let's do it in Bash. And we don't need a storage account. All right, here we are. So the virtual machine scale set service is available as VMSS, right? Do we have that in autocomplete? No. And then the command is scale, and then we need to add the resource group. And it's going to be RG something, something, something. The name was web app scale set, right? And then the new capacity is going to be 3, right? So we're kind of adding 1 instance here. And we can see the 2 running currently. Here we can see that it is done now. So if we go back to our instances and then we refresh this list, we can see that now there are 3 instances running. All right, so then let's remove one instance. We can do that directly from here. So just click on the checkbox next to the first instance and then click on stop. And it's just going to let us know that that's actually going to power off the instance. Okay, and we can see that the status of that instance is currently stopped over here. We could set up different kinds of auto-scaling rules, of course, to automatically change the number of instances in here. But this is it for this lab. Thanks again for listening and see you in the next one. Till then.